watching each other. Yeah. You like your son? Do you have a rebuttal? Do you have a rebuttal, little son? There's a lot to say. A lot to say. What do you think, Sonia? You just like smiling. You like watching him and smiling, huh? Sonia. Sonia. Hi, sweetie. Hi. What do you think of that crazy boy over there? Has a lot of energy and really likes that sun. Can you get the whole thing in your mouth? Are you camera shy? Because you were yelling the whole time, Sonia.